In this video, I will show you how to exchange currencies on Revolut. To do this, you want to go and open up Revolut, and first you will need to make sure that the currency you want to exchange is enabled. So to check that or enable it if it isn't yet, go and click on Accounts, and then here you can see all of your currencies. Now if it's not here, then click Add New, select Currency Account, and then just select the currency you want to exchange to right here. For me, it is already there, so after adding it, you then want to go and click on Move, and then at the top set it to the currency you want to swap from, which for me is the Japanese yen, and then at the bottom set it to what you want to swap to, which for me will be euro, and then choose how much you want to swap. I'll just do my full balance right here, and then click Review Order. And now to exchange the currencies, go and click on Sell at the bottom, and now you will see it has been moved to euro in this case, and now I don't have it in yen anymore. So that's how to exchange currencies on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.